Hello, what's going on, my good people? Welcome to my first stream here. It's a little interesting because I have already gotten used to recording and being able to see myself in the corner of my screen while I'm talking, but with this program, I haven't been able to figure out how to do that yet without showing the actual program itself, which I'm trying to avoid. So for this video, I'm not going to be able to see myself, which is a little annoying, but we're going to get through that. So today, I just wanted to take the time to show you the process that I went through in creating one of the latest logos that I did, which is the one here on the screen called Party Girls. And for this first stream, I wanted to keep it pretty brief and keep it light as far as what I discussed about the detail and the ins and outs of the process. I just want to show you an overall design process that I went through. So if anybody wants to contract me to do something in the future, then they can get a better understanding of the process that I go through when I'm creating a logo and what they should expect. So anyway, so let's get started. So as you can see here, this is the finished product, and this is a logo design I did for a party catering service, and it's for these two women here pictured in the picture. And yeah, so this is the final product. So what I want to do first is show you the initial sketch. And the initial sketch is, where is it? Let's look at this one. Oh, actually, let's not do that. Let's do this. Let's just use this program. So this is the initial sketch. I drew this one first, and of course, just the basic idea, just some basic line work, just to get the overall character and what I wanted to look like. And here is the other girl, pictured here. And then, this is pretty lacking in detail. So I took it to this stage here and just went ahead and gave him some eyeballs. And I got in touch with the client and asked them if this is the look that they were going for. So they approved, and so I went ahead on to the next step. And the next step was, let's see, this one here. This was the next design I did, or the next step in the design rather. And I just went ahead and filled it out, and they requested that they wanted the characters to look pretty much like them. They wanted to be realistic. So what I did is I got rid of the cartoon eyes, and I gave them more realistic eyes and made them smaller, and really tried to capture the essence of their face, all their facial features, the nose, the mouth, and their demeanor as well. And so they were pleased with where I was going to this stage. So then let's go ahead and move on to the next stage, which was more or less the same. Let's look at this one. Yes, this one. So this was the next step. I was pretty much done with the design at this point. The girls were happy with what it looked like. And at this point, I had not added any color yet. So I just wanted to get all the line work done. So once it was quote unquote approved, I went ahead and added the color. So now, let's look at the color. But before we do that, I do want to show that sometimes you can add too much detail. And what I mean by that is, this is where I got the finalized lines here. And the girl on the right, with the shoulder length hair, that one was fine. But the girl on the left, I kind of went in too much with the detail, and I took away from what's the original, her original look. So as you can see here, where is it? No, as you can see here on, one moment, on this one, her face looks a lot more lively, and you know, to me, it really captured the person's, her demeanor. So, and in this picture, not too much, but to some degree, it took away from her demeanor and the overall. What word am I looking for? She just looked kind of sassy in this picture, and I like that. In this one, she looks happy and content, but it's just not as spunky. So I went back and I brought it back to this version, and I went ahead and continued on in this style. And so now, with that said and done, let's take a look at the color version now. So before I added the color with the jeans and the skin, I did the jeans first. Let's take a look with the jeans. So once we got to this stage, you know, everybody was happy with the lines and whatnot. So I added the color. So this is just the very flat colors. There's no shadows. So I just wanted to give them a feel of what colors I was going for. Of course, the girl on the left wanted her hair natural black hair, and the girl on the right wanted her brown hair. So this is what the first color version looked like. And see the next one, this is the one where I added a little shadow and added some earrings, and of course a few more shadows on the legs, on the jeans. And yeah, I really like the tennis shoes. I like the tennis shoes, the way they turned out. But actually the girl requested that I change them. She said she didn't wear Chuck Taylors, you know, so I changed them. And I did end up changing both shoes. Since it's a party catering company, they weren't going to be working with in heels too much. So I gave them both tennis shoes in the final version. So, and this is the next step here. Added some more shadow, and I put some more detail in on the jeans, and it has the seam and the belt buckle loops there, and the jean pockets on the front and back, and of course the shadow on the shirt as well. So this was not the final version, but this was just to get the colors in order. So everybody was satisfied with the colors and whatnot. So once I got this step approved, then I went ahead on to the next version, which is this one here. Which one? This one. And this is pretty much the final version here. And actually the girl I was working with, we had to go back. a number of times to get the lettering precisely how they wanted it. I had to go through a little trickery to get this this particular font, because this font is not available in Photoshop. So I had to search the internet, scour the internet, and find it, and I had to individually, piece the letters together. It wasn't too tedious, but wanted to make them satisfied. So I did that. So this is the final version, but they actually wanted. Yeah, this is the final version. They wanted where is it? They wanted the pink shirt with the black lettering. So this is the final version. And just to give you another idea, so this is some of the fonts that I originally suggested to them, and they didn't really like none of these. So we finally got down to one that we both liked. So this was the one that I originally suggested. This font here, which she said she wanted something elegant and something that that stood out. So for whatever reason, she didn't really particularly like that. So we went ahead and decided to go with this font here. Yeah, so I think that's pretty much it. So I just wanted to show you the design flow and the process that I went through when I was making this, and just to show you the process. And I was very satisfied with this project. It was very fun to make it, and the people were nice to work with. Nice, good looking ladies. I will show their image. This is I'm not going to show it too long. I think they may, try to sue me or something. But anyways, I think we'll be fine. But so this is the girl here on the left. And this is, as you can see, I'm showing this because I want to show how I captured her likeness. So that's why I'm showing it. So that's the girl there, and this is the other girl there. So I think I did pretty good with capturing their likeness and still having some caricature style to it. So let's go ahead and put all three of them together, and let's blow it up. Oh, no, we can't do that. Okay, so again, here's the girl on the right, and this is the girl on the left. And again, this is the final version. And yeah, very, very good project. I like commission work because it gets me to do something different. And I think I'm always learning some new technique. And one thing that I always tell myself when I'm drawing is that each drawing usually has something not so much unexpected, but something that's makes it difficult. It could be, the lines, or it could be anything. The design itself. Maybe I'm struggling with the pose. Maybe I'm struggling with, with any aspect of the drawing. And this one went pretty smoothly, even with the requests, because there were a number of requests, changing the hair just a little bit, changing the arms. At one point in time, the arms were, where is it? Where's the first one? You can tell here, this is one of the first versions. The arms, she said they were a little bit too chubby, so I did end up changing them. The one on the right, but I was going for a style in my own defense. But yeah. So again, let's look at the line work one final time. And where is it? Okay. Well, okay, let's not. All right. Well, anyways, I think this will sum it up for the first video. And I appreciate anyone that's made it this far and watched the entire video. And if anybody has any requests, or they're interested in the drawing aspect of this process, please leave some comments below, or get in touch with me on Facebook, on Instagram. And thanks for watching, and I look forward to the next video, and hopefully I'll get this program in order, and I'll be able to see myself, because I just like to see what kind of facial expressions I'm making while I'm recording this. But let's end it here, and I will see you in the next video. So thanks a lot. And one last thing, don't forget, I did recently get my first designs of my shirts in my shop. So let me quickly plug those right quick. Let's see here if I can find it right quick. One moment. Where is it? One moment. No, I can't find it. Okay. Well, yes, this is the t-shirt design, which is called the Cybercats. Actually, I don't have a story for this one, believe it or not. It's kind of a spin-off of another idea that I had, which is not titled Cybercats, but nonetheless, this is the first design I have in the black cat version, and I do have one that is in the red and also in white. Let me go ahead and bring it up. Let me find it on Instagram. Let's make this bigger here. Yeah, so you can see here, I have these three designs here, and I have some more that I'm working on, so hopefully I'll get those out soon. So go ahead and check it out at the store, which is here at Teespring. You can find them there. And on the back of the shirt is my logo, Landobot. And of course, I myself have gotten one of these shirts, and I actually have it on now. They're quite comfortable and quite cool to wear. So I appreciate anybody that buys a shirt in advance, and I will see you on the next video. So have a good day, and see you next time. Peace.